first thing I'll do is to simplify that expression by replacing it with these quantities. So this first piece of just adding the two functions, you'll see 2x terms disappears and we're left with the absolute value of 2, which is just 2. Here we have absolute value of 2x minus 5 plus 7 minus 2x. Now what we'll do is to rewrite this by dividing both sides by 2. So that becomes 1, and then I have to divide each one by 2. And you'll see what happens. So that, because that would become x minus 2.5, and this will become 3.5 minus x. So you'll see that if I were to add these up without the absolute value, that would just be 1. That means that if both of these are positive, x meaning the quantity inside, and 3.5 minus x, if they're both positive at the same time, then we just simply remove the absolute value and we'll see that it does indeed satisfy this equation. So that's the condition we need, and this means x needs to be greater than 2.5. I should say also equal to, because when x is 2.5, then it's 2.5, so this would be 0. And here, this would be 3.5 minus 2.5, so that would also be 1. And again, this will also be greater than or equal to 0, because when x is 3.5, this would be 0, and this would be 3.5 minus 2.5, which is 1. So I have to include the equality. So the solution is x is less than or equal to 3.5, it has to be greater than. So if I write it in that form, that's really the solution. And if we look at the answer choices, I mean, the only difference is they've written it in fractions, but the answer is choice D.